Are you ready for a mind-blowing idea that could revolutionize the world's energy landscape? Imagine covering just 1% of the Sahara Desert with solar panels and generating enough electricity to power the entire planet. Sounds crazy, right? In this video, we're going to explore this exciting and innovative idea that could solve the world's energy problems and transform the way we think about renewable energy. So buckle up and get ready to be blown away by this incredible concept. Solar energy has long been seen as one of the most promising solutions to meet the world's energy needs. It is clean, abundant, and renewable, and can be harnessed in most parts of the world. However, one of the biggest challenges with solar energy is that it requires vast amounts of land to generate a meaningful amount of electricity. This is where the Sahara Desert comes in. The Sahara is the largest hot desert in the world, covering an area of over 9 million square kilometers. It is one of the sunniest places on Earth, receiving more solar radiation per year than any other place in the world. In fact, just 1% of the Sahara Desert is enough to generate more than 2,000 times the electricity the world currently consumes. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is it possible to cover such a vast area of land with solar panels? Won't it be too expensive and require too much resources? Well, you'll be surprised to know that the technology to do this already exists. Solar panels are becoming more efficient and cheaper every year. In fact, the cost of solar power has dropped by 89% in the last decade, making it the cheapest source of new electricity in many parts of the world. But the benefits of covering the Sahara with solar panels go beyond just generating electricity. The Sahara is an inhospitable environment that is uninhabitable for humans and most forms of life. However, covering it with solar panels would have a significant impact on the environment. It would help to reduce the effects of desertification, a process where fertile land turns into barren desert due to human activity and climate change. It would also help to reduce the amount of carbon emissions in the atmosphere, which is a major contributor to climate change. So, how would we go about covering the Sahara with solar panels? The first step would be to build the infrastructure required to transport the electricity generated to where it's needed. This would involve building high-voltage transmission lines across several countries in North Africa and Europe. It would be a massive undertaking, but it's not impossible. In fact, China has already built a 1,100-kilometer-long transmission line to transport electricity from its solar farms in the west to the east of the country. The next step would be to build the solar panels themselves. This would require a significant amount of investment, but it's important to remember that the benefits of this project would far outweigh the costs. In fact, a study by the University of California, Berkeley, estimated that the project would cost around $1.4 trillion, but it would pay for itself in just 7 years. The electricity generated would be sold to several countries in Europe, providing a significant boost to the economy of the region. It's a bold and ambitious project, but it's not impossible. It's time for the world to start thinking big and invest in the future of our planet. By harnessing the power of the sun and tapping into the vast potential of the Sahara Desert, we could create a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So, let's dream big and make this incredible idea a reality. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.